Remove any hardware within the truck bed and tailgate that you do not want sprayed. Clean the surface to be coated with acetone or MEK to remove any oil films or detergents, and then allow to dry. Use wire tape to accurately define the edge of the bed liner on the truck bed and tailgate. Place the wire on the inside and tape on the outside of the cut line. Tape plastic sheeting over the rest of the truck and any area that will not be coated. The plastic should be enclosed around the truck and tailgate to prevent any overspray. Scuff sand the area where the coating will be applied. Use a wire cut brush sander or 40 grit sandpaper to scuff the surface, allowing for proper adhesion. Avoid sanding to bare metal in order to keep the integrity of the OEM finish on the truck. Clean the surface to be coated with acetone or MEK and allow to dry. Use proper PPE and good chemical handling skills while spraying in a well-ventilated area. Carefully plan your spray pattern to allow for an even distribution, starting with the vertical side and back panels and work down towards the end of the truck bed. Connect your Qwik Spray applicator to a dry air source that is able to supply 100 psi and 10 CFM of constant pressure. While keeping the cartridge vertical, load your cartridge into the Qwik Spray applicator with the label out and attach the spray air supply. Begin spraying each cartridge onto a disposable surface to ensure adequate mix and continue spraying to prevent clogging. Do not stop spraying until cartridge is emptied. Before the end of each cartridge, spray off the truck bed onto a disposable surface to make sure no off-ratio material gets onto the truck bed. Begin a new cartridge once the previous is fully sprayed. Apply texture by spraying over, but not directly onto, the truck bed until desired finish is achieved. Allow material to set for 20 minutes and begin pulling the wire tape at a 45-degree angle towards the sprayed truck bed liner. Remove all plastic sheeting and masking tape and check for overspray on any part of the truck or your surroundings. Correctly dispose of the plastic sheeting and any cured overspray material.